Hello everyone, welcome to HMI online training. Today we will learn the toggle switch and menu. Firstly, we can go through the big switch and word switch quickly. Open App Studio software, click Component, toggle switch and menu, then select the big switch. The big switch is used to set the action, which switch type and text display of the bit switch, which is used to change the bit status. And you can choose the reading address and writing address are different, but generally we disable this option and set the address LB0. Then input the tag contents. Here we input close, and when the status is 1, we input open. And also you can choose here is the action. You can choose the press or release and the switch type. We can select the inverse. And here you can choose the graphics you want to use. And for more intuitive display, we choose the indicator. And then about the other settings, you can refer to the previous video. Then click OK. Next is the word switch here. Then select the word switch. The word switch is used to set the action and the text display for word address status. And also you can choose the reading address and writing address are different. And the address is LW0. About the toggle switch, you can choose the switch type to add or subtract. Then also you can change the status number. We can change it to 4. And then input the different content of different status. Number 1 is status 1. And status 2. Also, you can change the corresponding value of different status. Here you can enter 10, and the status 1 is 1. Another thing, here we can see a non-click option. If it is checked and the switch tab is add, it will stop adding when the result exceeds the maximum value. And if this option is not checked, and it will start to shift again from the minimum value when the result reaches the maximum value. The status can be set directly or by the up or down arrows. For about this component, because we have set 4 status, so we need to select 4 status graphics to display. But maybe there is no 4 status, so we can change it to 3. And select a status picture. Then click OK. Then we continue to learn about the menu. Firstly, we add a selection box component, then checklist and the selection box. We can set the address is to 1 and here we can set the reading and the writing address is different. And the writing address we set it to 2. Then select setting. We can change the item count to 4. Also, you can enter the tag content, but here we don't need to change. And then click OK. The last one is the drop-down list. And the address we set it to LW3. Here is we can choose a different data source, but generally it is for different situations. And for the selector settings, we can change the item count to 4. And also here you can input the tag content. Then click OK. Now click Offline Simulation. When we click this button, its status will be changed. And also when I click this word switch, also its status can be changed. It will show the corresponding value of the word switch. Here I can choose different status. Because I take the option, this writing address and read address are different. So it will not the change will not be displayed in this selection box, but the value will be changed. And in this selection box, you can see options in this box. But for the drop-down list, you can only see the current value about the current status. And click the down key, you will see the other status. And when I choose 1, the status value will be displayed to be 1, and 2 is 2, and 3. Also, if you change the LW0 value, the status also will be changed to be 2. Here, the word switch changed to the status 3. And for the drop-down list, I will change to 2. Also, its status also be changed. That's all for this video. Thanks for your watching.